Hey everybody, Erica here from BioLite, and I'm here to talk to you about the apartment kit. This is our midline emergency kit exclusive for this September, intended roughly for 2 to 4 people. If you don't live in an apartment, you can still buy it. Let's dig in. First off, we've got the SolarHome 620. This is a small scale microgrid that's going to give you multi-room lighting and charging all from the power of the sun. 6-watt solar panel connected into the control box. That is going to give you FM radio, access to feedback on how much power you have, and it's also going to power the 3 hanging lights. So these daisy chainable lights you can either use to light hallways, multiple rooms, or other tasks at hand. It's got an individual on-off switch for each one of them that can access low, medium, and high illumination. 2 USB ports on the side of the control box can also enable you to do things like charge your phone. So over here, if you want to be a little bit more mobile, we've got 2 of our headlamp 330s. These are 330 lumen USB rechargeable headlamps, super comfortable. 3D Slim Fit technology makes them fit more like a sweatband than a typical headlamp. They are dimmable. They are also angleable. So the front bezel moves downward in 4 different angles, so you can direct it for task lighting, wayfinding, or anything else you might need. Also have 2 light diffusing stuff sacks. So if you want, you can actually transform your headlamp into a light bulb. All you gotta do, toss it in the stuff sack, and the included fabric will help diffuse that light for nice overhead illumination. Speaking of illumination, we've got the sunlights. These are awesome. They are my favorite because they are alternative to candles. They don't melt, they don't run out, there's no open flame, and they're totally self-reliant because of the integrated solar panel. 100 lumens, dimmable, classic white LED mode, but also RGB mode, so you can pick something like red night vision, or you can cycle through all the colors in party mode. Last but not least, we have the LifeStraw. This is a special edition from our friends over at LifeStraw. So we talk about providing kind of energy in the sense of light and power. You also want it in the sense of food and water. So this is going to help give you a safe water supply. Individual filtration system, literally drinking direct from the source. It'll filter up to 1,000 gallons, and it's going to filter out things like bacteria, parasites, and microplastics. So there you have it. This is the apartment kit exclusive to BioLite this September for Preparedness Month. Amazing savings built in. Go and grab one while supplies last. From all of us here at BioLite, thanks for watching.